When we communicate, we're sharing information, thoughts, ideas, or feelings through speech, writing, gestures, body language, and visual cues and signals. Effective communication is about achieving goals beyond just conveying data. In different contexts like personal, professional, and societal settings, human interactions are complex and demand specific skills, knowledge, and experience. There's no one-size-fits-all solution. In this workshop, we'll cover what is communication, why do we need to communicate, different types and forms of communication, communication with different groups and stakeholders, communication challenges, and communication best practices. Here's what we'll explore in depth. Defining communication. We'll discuss mediums for various settings to maximize effectiveness. Each medium has its strengths and can be best utilized for different situations. Why do we communicate? Understanding the historical perspective of human interactions over millions of years is essential. Our self-interest drives behavior, and communication serve as the tool to achieve our goals based on values and beliefs ingrained in us. We'll also address human social intelligence and delve into human nature. Tailoring communication. Interacting with different groups within organizations and clients requires varying skill sets and mediums. Effective communication encompasses listening, speaking, and writing adapted to each group, verbal and nonverbal communication. Consistent cues and signals in our interactions matter. Being aware of these helps convey intentions clearly and boosts confidence in our interactions. Best practices. Dissecting communication elements and types will provide clarity and success. Developers equipped with active listening, effective writing and speaking tones, and appropriate body language will excel in their projects and careers. Meetings. Developers need the right skills for different meeting settings. We'll cover meeting rules and characteristics to ensure success in your career. Communication challenges. For developers, safeguarding projects and teams holds immense importance. Misunderstandings circulating about your team members or projects within your environment have the potential to jeopardize success. Proper team training establishes a robust communication foundation to handle external factors. Real-life instances offer valuable insights into managing negativity proactively and effectively. Equipping ourselves with techniques to handle unique scenarios strengthens teams. Being prepared to take the right position in various situations is essential for managing and defending teams. Benefits of communication training for organizations are higher employee morale, increased engagement and collaboration, clearer career paths, improved reputation, efficient processes and time saving, happier stakeholders, faster time to market, enhanced client satisfaction, effective conflict resolution, solid team careers, reduced redundancy costs, overall more confident and successful teams.